G'day guys, James here. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you Ego's new power blower. Now what you're going to see in this video is the machine being used, and then I'll come back and tell you about some of the specifications and some of the functions of the actual unit itself. Alright, so let's jump in and take a look at this now. This big beast. Let's go. So along with this blower you get a couple of different attachments. You've got a more condensed nozzle there, and then you've got like this wide throw nozzle as well too. So I'll try those out and we'll see what difference it makes. I think with the wide throw it's going to be good for the general sort of leaves and bark, just to be able to push it along a bit more. So this basically just clips in. I'm good to go. That works quite well. Interesting little setup there, so it's good you've got the options. And these attachments basically on the side here, lift that up and they just clip off, so you can swap them around from time to time. So you've got your standard trigger and then you've got your turbo on top. So you listen when I pull this to the difference, the normal trigger and then the turbo. Now turbo, that really makes a difference. But what this little nozzle does, it allows you, it's almost like a hands-free operation. So you can turn that slightly, it'll come on, you still hit turbo, and then you can just adjust this up. So nothing on the trigger, and it works automatically. So that's a handy little feature as well. Okay, so there you have it. You've got to see the machine being used. Now, this will come as a kit, this unit itself, so I'll tell you a little bit about what will come in the kit and what you can expect from it. Now, it comes with a 5 amp hour battery. Inside of the unit itself, there's also a rapid charger. In the past, some of the Ego stuff, they just have the standard sort of chargers, but these rapid chargers are fantastic. It'll do that 5 amp hour battery in 40 minutes, so a very quick charge time. Just because it comes with a 5 amp hour, you can still use a bigger battery. I think they do up a 7.5 amp hour battery you can put on there. There's also the little, 2.5s, so you can go up or down depending on sort of what you're going to be using it for. Now the other thing, which obviously isn't included in the kit, you can, speaking of batteries, also use this backpack adapter. Now I'm not going to go too much into detail of this because this one I've got a separate review on. But again, yep, that's the unit itself. Now inside the kit you'll also get these two different nozzles. So you'll get one which is a wide throw, you can see there, and then one which is a little bit more sort of concentrated as well too. The max force from this thing is 18 Newton meters. The turbo boost, so when you actually have this on and then you hit the turbo, you're going to get 980 cubic meters of boost. Now, so quite a lot. It's quite a big unit. You got the variable speed nozzle, which I showed you there, so you can turn that up or down to get your different speeds. Weight of this unit without the battery is 2.2 kilos, and then you've got the battery weight itself on top of that. So again, great little unit. Like I said, it's perfect for around the garden. For me as well too, if I'm on a job site, I can actually use that to actually, blow down the side or clean things off. All in all, it's a pretty good unit. Not only for the home and garden, but for me personally, if I'm on a job site, this is great for actually cleaning down and blowing out, the sawdust and giving the job a good tidy up as well. So yeah, great little unit. Check it out. Give it a try. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you have, give it a big thumbs up. Like or subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.